illallah, alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrò ni wọ́n síkúrò ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ láfi ń ṣe tiwa. Ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀. Èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé. Èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́. Ọba torí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta orí. Ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀.
If you want to make peace between two people, you want to make peace between two people, maybe husband and wife, or friends, or a mother and daughter, or son and father. You understand? You want to make peace with anyone. This is what you are going to do. Are you with me? This is what you are going to do. It's very simple and very, very effective. This is all about numerology number. This is number of wisdom. It's a number of wisdom. You want to invite the spirit of wisdom into their life to settle the two parties. You understand? You want to invite the spirit of wisdom to settle the quarrel, to make peace between the two husband and wife, son and father and son, mother and daughter. You understand? Or anybody. You can use this thing for anybody. You understand? To make peace, to settle the matter between them. To settle the matter between them. Are you with me? It's very simple and very, very effective. So this is what you are going to do. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babawenje. This is your first time here. Everything I do is to share spiritual tip to help your spiritual life. And if this content or any of my contents are very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure that you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of these videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of this video there. You see a lot of videos there that can help your spiritual life. And if you don't understand, you are free to call me on 070-374-22552. Or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So as you see from the title, I think you can see the diagrams. This is what you are going to do. This is what you are going to write. So you are going to write, you get a plain sheet of white paper. Plain sheet of white paper. We can also use these numbers. You understand? This wisdom number to request for something through your dream. You understand? To request for something through your dream. I normally use this number. You understand? This wisdom number. I normally use it to receive a message from your dream. There's a way you can also use it. Someone will come to you as a pastor or afar or traditionalist. They will give you some message. Are you with me? But I'm not going there today. So this is what you're going to do. You will write 7777. That is 47. Then you write a circle. You open the mouth. Do not close it yet. Then you will turn the paper upside down, you are going to write 7777. I think you are with me. Then you turn it again. The left side, you are going to write 47. And the right, the left, you are going to write 47. The way I wrote it, I think you can see it. Then you will write the two. If the husband name, you are going to write it up. Doesn't matter if you write the wife or you write the name. This is not all about love. You understand? Maybe you want to put someone love in someone's heart. No, you want to settle the matter between them. You want to make peace. So you understand? To settle the matter between them. You can write any name up and down. If you like, write my name, Dr Mutiu Olatiboye, and write your name under. If you like, write your name up and write my name under. You understand? Don't write my name up. I don't have any quarrel with anyone. Don't write my name up. So then after that, you are going to close this circle. You are going to do what? You are going to close it. And you must use blue biro. You must do what? Use blue biro to write it on the white paper. After that, you are going to fold this paper in a 4 corner. You use white and black thread. You will tie it very well. After you done that, then go and bury it under the ground. Go and do what? Go and bury it under the ground. There's a way we can also use this. You are going to bury this at the middle of banana. You understand? Or this banana tree. There, that is where you are going to bury it. But this one is different. You can bury this anywhere. By the grace of Almighty God, before 7 days, they are going to settle and they will love each other. By the grace of Almighty God. That is how to do it, and that is how to use it. Mo ra sọ ní bí a ṣe ń lo àwọn nǹkan nọ́mbà yìí. Tí a bá rí pé lè kàn gbóná, tí a rí pé wàhálà pọ̀, ìjà lójoojúmọ́, tá sì fẹ́ jà, tá fẹ́ parí ìjà, bóyá wo ìyàwó fẹ́ bọ́kọ ẹ̀ parí ìjà ni o, bóyá ọkọ fẹ́ bọ́kọ ẹ̀ parí ìjà ni o, ìwọ fẹ́ báyàwó ẹ̀ parí ìjà ni o, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe rí irú àwọn nǹkan báyìí a gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ pé ẹni tẹ́ ìjọ mọ ríra yín. Sọ̀rọ̀ ti yé. Kì í ṣe pé ìwọ tó wà ní South Africa, ìyàwó ẹ̀ wà ní California, tàbí wà ní Jamaica. No, it's not like that. A gbọ́dọ̀ máa ríra wa, ó máa jẹ́ kó tètè pick dáadáa. Ìwé funfun kan la máa wá gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mo ṣe ya kíní ẹ̀ sórí kíní ẹ̀. A kọ 7 mẹ́rin sókè. A yà sẹ́kù, a gbọ́dọ̀ pàjù sẹ́kù yẹn dé. Ìsàlẹ̀ tá bá ti kọ 7 yẹn 7 mẹ́rin yẹn, a máa tọ́nu ìwé wa báyìí. A tún kọ, tá bá ti kọ tán, a dá bá ṣe kọ yẹn padà. Ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀tún báyìí a kọ 7 mẹ́rin. Ẹgbẹ́ àlàáfíà báyìí a tún kọ 7 mẹ́rin. A wà kọ orúkọ méjì. A kọ kan sókè, a kọ kan ìsàlẹ̀. A lè kọ orúkọ kan sókè, ká kọ ti ìyàwó ìsàlẹ̀. A lè kọ ti ìyàwó sókè, ká kọ ti ọkọ ìsàlẹ̀. A sì wá close 7 yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wá fóòdù ìwé yẹn sí igun mẹ́rin. Tá bá ti fóòdù ẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká fi ojú àtọ̀ fún ká fi wé. Tá bá ti fi wé, ẹ jẹ́ ká rí mọ́lẹ̀. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, eléyìí ó pẹ̀tù síjà. Tó jẹ́ pé ọkàn méjèèjì wà balẹ̀. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, ìyẹn dánwò ká fún mi lábọ̀. Èmi náà lọ́mọ yín àbúrò yín olólùfẹ́ yín Dr Mutiu Olatiboye táyé máa ṣe wọ́n jẹ́. Tó bá dìgbà míì, a tún mú ọ̀rọ̀ míì ìyẹn tó tún yàtọ̀ sí eléyìí wá. Ẹ má wá gbàgbé láti subscribe sórí ètò kílè kò fún wa ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àǹfààní.
Àbẹ̀ ọgbọ́n wa torí lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn lèmi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lò jáde gbọ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn tá a fi ṣẹ́ mi náà, àwọn nìkan náà ń jẹ. Kó fàyà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ẹni ni mọ̀nà ẹni tí ò lágàn kò lè mọye tán tágàn bó bá dọ̀jà ṣe ti gbọ́ ẹni tí kò